Bray White sells one in every 10 houses across all of Australia and New Zealand. Our 10,000 agents and 1,000 business owners all use Tableau to get better information about themselves and their offices, and to provide that information to their consumers, making them better agents overall. For Tableau to be successful in our network, we really needed to have a web interface to access it. Our users were not going to be interested in downloading software. Tableau is integrated with our intranet, so using trusted authentication, they go straight from our intranet into the different portals that we publish for them, giving them direct access to dive into more information and more data around their own office or themselves. And that's everything from market share, which is our key KPI, right down to salesperson performance and overall office performance in the market. Our salespeople use the information to get their own sales information and compare themselves year on year and measure their own KPIs that way. We offer very limited training for Tableau Server because we rely on the design of our dashboards to make it easy and simple to use. We also utilise a custom layer that we built over the top of Tableau Server, which we call a document builder. And this is by far our most used IT system in all of the company. We have upwards of 98% adoption across our entire network. And on any given day, this system can generate up to 500 documents that are individual for any salesperson in any suburb or area in the entire country. We use external data from individual state governments and also the Australian Bureau of Statistics, who provide data updates regularly. We merge that then with our internal sales information and information about our people. So combining those data sets is a job in itself, but it makes it easy with Tableau.